Isn't that incredible? This is the next generation of gaming, and we've got India's next generation of superstars out there to compete with each other.
Hi and welcome to IB Cricket Super Over League, brought to you by Red FM, and this is toss time between Prithvi and Shubman. Prithvi, would you like to toss? Ball.
Heads.
It is heads. Shubman, you won. Okay, so what do you want to do first?
I'm gonna bowl first
Why is that?
because I've been feeling it's pretty difficult to bat here, so I would like to chase.
We've got a brilliant lineup. Prithvi Shaw against Shubman Gill, and I've got, I won't call him old, but I've got last generation superstar.
Don't go.
Is it okay to say that? They're one generation behind you?
Maybe two. Whoa, what a shot. First ball, boundary.
Wow.
ये आज की जनरेशन ये नहीं देखता कहाँ बॉल डाल रही लगा दिया पहली बॉल पे जबरदस्त चौका। ये कमाल का शॉट था वाकई। ये वीरू से इंस्पायर हुए हैं। ये नई जनरेशन है। आपने कहा था इनका दौर है। इनका दौर वीरू को देखते देखते बड़ा हुआ है और वीरू भी पहली बॉल से चौके छक्के मारता था।
क्या बात है. There's two matches going on here at the same time. Shubman needs to concentrate in the middle of all this. Oh my God! What did we just see? 4 followed by a 6. We can't believe it here. Fruits the practice. Strategy from Shubman Gill. Maybe this is the right way to go. Prithvi doesn't know what's coming.
अरे हल्की डाल यार. Oh, well bowled.
He's human. He's human. He's a superstar, but he's human. So maybe it's a score that Shubman Gill can still possibly think about scoring. For now, it's a matter of trying to see if Shubman Gill can and keep the Blue Blasters in this tournament.
4 हिटें मारनी है गिल साहब.
हाँ जी.
4.
Looks like he's picked up at least one. That should be 2 for sure, but it's only one.
Oh,
Good piece of fielding there. Prithvi Shaw is happy. I thought that was going to be 2, but he's lucky to get away with just a single. Shubman, you've got to up your game. Variety is the key.
And timing is the key. मुझे लगता है कि जो जोर से मारने जाते हैं तो फिर मुश्किल होती है.
Silken touch, but again straight to the fielder.
वीरू पाजी किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है गेम? I mean, not really. He doesn't seem really.
मुझे लग रहा है मेरे घर की डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. अगर ये मैच भी हार गया तो मुझे घर ही जाना पड़ेगा इसके बाद. गिल साहब 4 बोले हैं 3 छक्के.
3 छक्के लगाने
दो
की
छक्के,
जरूरत है यहाँ
चौका.
पे और यहाँ हो भी सकता है.
It's been all focus from Prithvi Shaw. Can he do something different? Definitely going to see something different as far as the ball is concerned. What it is, we're not liable to say. This could be the ball. He's bowled him.
What a ball this.
If you thought with these mega stars sometimes struggling, mega is the big word to look out for, because if you thought that was good, well, look out for something massive coming from IB Cricket. The action's only beginning and it's only going to hot up on the IB Cricket Super Over League, brought to you by Red FM.